Hello everyone, I am Jessica and I welcome you to House Decor Designs. Do you want to build your dream home, but confused on how to get going? Get inspiring house interior designs all at one place. This can be your one-stop solution for all your home interior needs, be it minimalist home interior, Scandinavian, bohemian, contemporary, industrial, or any house design that you dream of for your home. So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button for inspiring home interior designs. If you want to watch the full video, then subscribe to House Decor Designs YouTube channel and you are set to explore the latest and amazing home decoration ideas for free. Thanks for watching this video and see you soon in our next video.
When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere else to go. All I do is fall